Hey guys, so today we're talking ring sizing and how to find your perfect fit at home. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we know what you guys are looking for. So first, let's talk about what does not work. Here at Naomi, we've been making jewelry for almost 10 years, and over the years, we have seen all the at-home ring size measuring methods, and I'm gonna show them to you. Let's talk about it. So first up, we have the string method. Now this is a pretty common at-home measuring method that we find is the most inaccurate. So what you're doing here is you're measuring the circumference of your finger, and that measurement can vary so slightly with ring sizes that you could be getting any range of sizes that is definitely not the one you were looking for. So second up is the tape measure method, which is the same idea, and we find it's just too hard to measure to get an accurate reading. And the moral of the story is that it's just not gonna work. And lastly, one common myth is that your ring size equals your shoe size. And we don't find this is an accurate way to guess your ring size. But if it is true for you, let us know in the comments. Maybe there's some truth to this myth, but for now, don't use that method. So that is everything that doesn't work. Let's talk about what does work. So one method for finding your ring size at home, if you already have a ring that you want to base the same size off of, is a handy dandy printout sheet. So this is the ring size sheet from our website you can find at hanaomi.com. And what you do is you hold the ring that you already have up to find the size. So you can figure out this one's about an 8 because it touches the outside edge of that number. And you want to make sure that you're printing this guy at 100%. to make sure it's the most accurate. This is also a good way of measuring if you're getting someone a surprise gift. You can sneak one of their rings, measure it, and then order a ring in their same size. So the most accurate way to find your ring size at home is with one of these handy ring sizers. So these ring sizers are super affordable and you can get one at our website. All of our customers can get one complimentary. So I'm gonna flip the camera around to show you how to use it. So here is a closer look at the ring sizer. You can see it has all the numbers on it that correlate to your ring size. And you want to make sure that it fits over your knuckle comfortably, but doesn't fall off your finger when you shake your hand. So it looks like my index finger is a size 8. So here you can see I have a size 8 ring and it fits perfectly. And when you order a ring sizing kit from our website, you get one of these handy little sheets where you can write down your ring sizes for future uses. So that's how to find your ring size at home. Now I'm gonna go over some of the most common questions that we get from our customers about ring sizing. So question number 1, how do I size for larger rings versus dainty rings? So ring sizing can vary depending on the width of the ring. Let's say you just found your ring size on a smaller design and you're a 7, you may want to size up to a 7 1/4 and a 7 1/2, depending on what's comfortable for you if you want a thicker design. All of our designs are available in size 1 through 16 in whole, half, or quarter sizes so you can get the perfect fit. So the next question is, how do I take into account finger swelling when I'm trying to find my ring size? So finger swelling is super common, and sizing for this is totally up to your comfort level. Like I showed with the ring sizer earlier, you want to make sure that the ring can fit over your knuckle and isn't too tight on your finger, but doesn't come off when you shake your hand. The next question is, are men's and women's ring sizes the same? So the answer to that one is yes. Most jewelers will measure with standard US ring sizing, which does include everybody. And if you want to know more about sizing for men and women's jewelry, let us know in the comments if we should do another video about that. So that is all the info on finding your ring size at home. Just some tips to keep in mind. Everybody's hands are different. Some people have all the same size. Some people have different sizes on each finger. Everyone's different. Another thing is a lot of stores will only offer sizes 5 through 7, which we think leaves out a lot of people. We pride ourselves in making our jewelry accessible to everyone by offering sizes 1 through 16. And lastly, I do want to mention that this is not an exact science and it may take you a few tries before you find your perfect fit. There's a lot of factors that play into finding the right size for you. With that being said, we are always here to help. You can send us an email if you need help finding your ring size. And all these tools to find your ring size can be found on our website at hananaomi.com, or you can come in to our Portland shop and we'll help you find your ring size. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see us go over something specific, make sure to leave us a comment. Also, if you aren't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at itshananaomi. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!